Hey y'all, summer is here and everywhere outside is so hot. So, if you're like me that don't like ice cream, I do take ice cream sometimes, but not all the time, and you want something refreshing, I can help, guys. Yes. And if you have a Greek yogurt at home, plain yogurt, and you really don't know what to do with it, come over. Let's make our yogurt a very refreshing. Hey, I'm here. Don't tell nobody, okay? So today we'll be doing 3 flavors of yogurt: strawberry, kiwi, and one other flavor I forgot. But don't worry, you'll say it soon. I'm gonna teach you how to do it and you will love it. Let's go. So guys, let's get started. We have kiwi and frozen banana, and of course we have strawberry. That's not all. And we have cherry. So I put it in this container because I removed all the seed. Guys, you know how hard the seed are, right? So yeah, I removed everything. So you ready? Let's get started. Frozen as well. Oh no, one more thing. How can I forget that? Yeah, our Greek yogurt is here. So let's get it. I don't care what you say about me. This is my life. So guys, just like that, we just made 4 fruit yogurts. See that? It was quite easy, right? So we're gonna put it in this freezer, leave it there to set, and by tomorrow it should be ready. Your yogurt will be ready. When the sun is hot and you feel like you need something refreshing, just go to the freezer, grab one. Or rather, you can have 4 of them. Just take a scoop from each and you're good. So tell me what you think about my fruit yogurt. So we'll continue the video tomorrow when the yogurt is ready. Our yogurt is ready. We left it overnight, so let's enjoy it together. So we'll be using this ice cream scoop. Let's dig in. Let's start from. That looks. So let's dig in. So we have shrimp. I'm gonna put it here. So guys, here's it. So tell me, are you gonna try the fruits yogurt? If you're gonna try it, please let me know how you liked it. But this, I love it. It's so refreshing, and I'm glad I made at least 3 of them so I can have it for as long as I want, probably 1 week or 2, but I'm not gonna finish it sooner. Bye for now, guys. I love you.